Hello and welcome back, everybody. We're here for our last round of the day, day 2. I'm psifertex Jordan. You just saw me with Brandon, and
I'm Josh, negasora, and you saw me 3 casts ago. It's been a long day, Jordan.
it has been a long day. How many streams have you had today?
Today, this is my second.
Okay, yeah. So I had 2 in a row as well. Mine was the end of the day. I was over at Hackaset for the earlier part of the day. It's been a busy day.
Yeah, I tried to go over there and catch you on it. I didn't see you. We crossed paths apparently.
You were looking for me when I was coming here. So okay, before we stall too much, let's go ahead and get the teams all queued up because I know they're ready to go. So it looks like we're getting the thumbs up. So let's do the countdown. You ready? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Lift off. Wrong one. Sorry.
Refresh, and they're going. Okay, so we're watching them go.
All right.
Perfect. And let's pull up. Who do we want to look at?
Let's look at Norsecode because MMM is dealing with VMware file systems right now.
Oh no. Yeah. Did they mount it, or are they? Yeah. How are they bringing that in there? All right. So Norsecode's got it. We've got a standard libc, LD, and then the challenge binary itself.
Are both these guys working Windows, like in VMs and Windows?
It looks like it. Yeah. We've both got native. Wait,
okay.
No. Is that native Windows? That doesn't look like native Windows. This one over here in Norse, that's not native Windows.
Oh, that might be
launcher.
Windows in a VM.
No, that's in Ubuntu. That's
oh,
in
it
Ubuntu,
is. Good call.
Yeah, which I don't know what the launcher they're using at the bottom, though, is a little different. All right, so we're in IDA. They're pulling up the challenge. We've got Bob's Cheap Flights are. Oh, did you actually talk to us? This is Mark's challenge, right?
Oh, yeah, this is Mark's challenge. It's called Cheap Flight.
Okay. I haven't actually seen it.
Cheap Flights.
Yep.
And the gist of it is, teams can't hear us, so it's fine. The gist of it is that you have shellcode, but you only have a certain number of bytes in it.
Cheap flights. You got to keep it very cheap. Okay, real quick, I just want to point out, very nice of them to have 2 different color schemes for us. We have the light theme and the dark theme, and I noticed that even the IDAs were light theme and dark theme.
Oh,
so that
not number of bytes, the sum of the bytes.
Oh,
did I say?
The sum of the
bytes in the shellcode has to be under a certain value. I misspoke. Yeah.
So it's shellcode where you have to have low
opcode shellcode.
Interesting.
Yeah.
Okay.
Or jump earlier and put your shellcode in a place where before it you have bytes that store stuff out.
Interesting. Yeah, that makes it do like a kind of a stager approach, and then swap it over. All right, so let's go ahead and switch over to. Where are we?
Maple Mallard Parliament.
Maple Ducks of Bacon.
Ducks.
I don't.
Yeah, MPD.
We'll just I call them the Mighty Ducks.
The Mighty Ducks. I like the Mighty Ducks.
Yeah.
Well, they don't even have ducks in the name.
So we're already working on our. Oh, and also, do you know, like, we've had different players from MMM come up in the past. Do we know the player?
I don't know the player. It's his first time doing LiveCTF. I know it's a new player.
A new player in CTF, fantastic, and LiveCTF. That's fantastic.
Yeah, and also for Norsecode. The normal guy came in and dropped this guy off, and I look at this guy. I'm like, "You're not playing?" He's like, "Hi, I'm the shellcode guy."
Oh,
so
very nice.
I hope he lives up to the title.
Okay, that makes a ton of sense. So we did we tell teams the category, and so they knew this is a shellcoding challenge, right?
Yes.
We just said I think x64 shellcode probably is what we put in there.
Yeah, x64 shellcode I think was the exact category.
I think we like to put the architecture in just so they know there's nothing crazy.
Yeah, we're not doing ARM shellcoding because that would be a rude wake up.
We just don't want to deal with the infrastructure on the two. We did do some ARM challenge. We did an ARM challenge last year.
But we did.
We'll see. It may be a little while before we do that again. All right. So Maple is working back. We've already got our Pwn tools. We've got they've got their shell. So they're just
they're just going through Shellcraft SH.
They're just going to try the simplest one.
I wasn't the one that verified this. I don't know if this will work.
If this works, I will be sorely disappointed.
Sad.
Yeah, that means we didn't do a very good job. I don't think it will.
Oh, it's Jinmo.
Is this Jinmo? Oh, then Jinmo's done LiveCTF before. Maybe not this.
No, I mean this roundabout.
Yeah. Fair
but it's
enough.
too expensive. We'll just implode instead. Yikes.
Okay, so that's what we're seeing. Again, they've got to get. So this challenge is not really much of a reversing challenge. It's not a pwnable challenge. We will literally run their shellcode. Yep. We just have to make sure all the bytes, when you add up, are a small
are
value.
less than some amount. We can go over to Norsecode right now. They might be in the function.
They are in IDA. Let's take a look at what they're looking at.
Code
and we've even got symbols right here on the.
Here we go. Oh, and it looks like it just gives you what you've sent it so far?
Number of airports.
See. Oh, so it's just a number of stops, but I think the total cost is what really get tickets. Yeah, here we go.
Going to be multiplying the.
So it needs to be less than 2,000, less than equal to 2,000 if you add up all the bytes.
Sum of all of the bytes that is in the shellcode.
So what is that? Normal BinSH shellcode is like 27 bytes for verbose.
Yeah, but again, like, what are the values of those bytes? If any of them are FFs, for example, right? Like,
yeah,
you know,
then you might want to FF.
like a -1. Yeah, so just some. You know what? I'm actually surprised. Again, we saw like that the shellcraft kind of come up really quickly, but I think that like you would expect that not to be the solution.
No, if shellcraft is that's a sudden death solution right there.
Yes,
we actually
yes,
saw that
exactly.
one in sudden death.
Yeah.
Yeah. So
oh, there we go. Okay, so we're debugging it. Yeehaw, it's time for a trip. Wait, was that it? Are we that quick on MMM?
wait.
And
there's no way.
This might be our fastest solve ever here. Let's see.
Wait, there's no way.
So their initial payload, they did their call a pop RSR, so that is the payload. This might be the fastest solve yet here. This might be the quickest.
Yeah.
Oh my goodness.
It
They're going to
is.
get that was amazing. Look at that. They're going to throw it live. That is
Wow.
a blowout.
Okay.
What a fast solve. They lived up to the reputation.
That they
They
did.
are indeed
It's
the show.
Jinmo.
Yeah, like
Yeah.
that's fantastic speed run. A true speed run from Jinmo for
Wow.
MMM. We've got a solve in record time. What
How
was
fast
that?
was
Like a
that?
7 or 8 minute solve. That was
I
fantastic.
can find out right now. We have debug prints from all of the interactions here.
We'll pull up it and see what the actual solve time was. But yeah, poor Norsecode just trying to compete with that is rough. What a quick one. So honestly, like we debate internally a lot about how hard things should or shouldn't be. If every one of our challenges was that fast, they'd all be sudden deaths.
Yeah.
Very quick to the solution. Just a quick pop XOR move constant XOR syscall. So
that was I tried to pull
they're just
the
calling
time.
into receive, aren't they? I bet they're just calling into a receive.
They're calling into a receive, yeah.
Putting in the
and then
the
just
full
writing.
payload after
That's
that.
what they did.
Well done. Yeah,
That's smart.
absolutely.
That's absolutely a completely valid solution.
Perfectly valid. So
Yeah.
very cool. All right. Well, I'm happy we get a longer break now.
Yeah, longer break. This is the last one of the day. Well,
Exactly.
Other matches still running.
There is still everyone definitely, depending on how you're watching this, if you're there on YouTube, go up to our channel and look at the other live ones. You can watch the other two teams that are going, which right now is
Shellfish and M. Hackeroni,
Shellfish
right?
and M. Hackeroni, who've both been doing very well. Honestly,
That's
before their
gonna be good.
losses, they both were doing very, very well. So
Yeah.
I expect that to be a good match
M.
as well.
Hackeroni is in a killer run right now. They've knocked out some big teams.
But they also just in the last round, the back-to-back just got knocked out.
Yeah, by
in that very close race that I casted with Falk, right?
yeah,
so that was
yeah.
they were there. I mean, it was seconds apart, so they were really, really close.
Oh
so
my goodness.
yeah, that was stressful, I'm sure, for them. But
Yeah.
hopefully they do well. Go ahead and check out the other streams. Keep an eye out on the channel because we'll be back.
We'll be back tomorrow. Tomorrow morning at 11.
Oh,
I think
no, I have
11.
to check the schedule. It's actually, yeah, we can look on our
Yeah.
schedule. 11 a.m. tomorrow. We've got 4 matches tomorrow, I believe.
Think
no,
so.
sorry, tomorrow 10. No, our first match is 10. We have a 10, 11, a 1, and a 2. So our final match will be 2 to 3, and that'll.
We're getting to the top of the
every
top.
one of the matches tomorrow. We're done with our off-stream stream, so there's only going to be one stream. It's just going to be us here, and you'll be able to see what the teams are doing through that. So.
Yeah.
Our last 2 lower bracket challenges, and then we're going to move into the upper ones as well.
Only 5 teams left.
It's going to go pretty quick.
It's going to be
and everybody gets a good chunk of points too. So as a reminder, every team they're playing for a bunch of points in the main DEF CON CTF. And so for context, right now the main DEF CON CTF goes anywhere from 3,700 to about 2,600 points. Are between first to last, I guess, is about 2,000 points to almost 4,000 points.
There's a light blinding me. I can't see the screen.
There is 1,337 points going to first place.
No.
Last place gets 500 points. So it's actually only a difference of about 800 points.
800 points. 800
But
points is
800 points
half
right
the split
now
from first to last.
no. But so the way that the spread is, 800 points would take, for example, somebody from maybe third to first.
Oh,
So we
Jordan.
wouldn't.
While we're talking about this, actually,
What's this?
M. Hackeroni won
Did they?
just now.
Fantastic. So again, another quick match. Good for
Wow.
them.
Very fast match.
Condolences
that
to Shellfish, who's been knocked out of the competition, but M. Hackeroni.
That was 3 minutes after MMM.
Yeah, pretty quick. Okay,
Oh
so
my
awesome.
goodness.
So all of our games, all of our challenges are done for the day today. We've got, like I said, those 4 more tomorrow. We'll see the final few matches, and we'll be back then.
We'll see you back.
Cheers.
Have fun.